Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Musa. I will present about workshop presentation. So first, I would like to introduction. So PCB fabrication process involves several hazard materials, chemicals, and machinery. Secondly, to ensure the safety of workers, it is essential to use the appropriate protective equipment and clothes. Following the safety practice and SOPs, and maintain equipment properly. So there are 5 protective equipment and clothing. So first, safety glasses or goggles. It is function and must be worn at all times to protect eyes from chemical splashes or flying debris. Second, chemical resistant gloves must be worn when handling hazardous chemicals. Third, face mask must be used to protect against inhalation of toxic fumes or dust. Fourth, protective clothes such as lab coats, aprons, and coveralls that should be worn to prevent skin exposure to hazardous materials. And finally, safety shoes should be worn to prevent slip, trips, and falls. Next, safety practice and SOPs. So there are 6 safety practice and SOP. So first, always follow the manufacturer instruction for the chemicals and equipment used in the PCB fabrication process. Second, make sure to properly label chemicals and hazardous materials. Then ensure that all machinery is properly maintained and in good working condition. Keep a clean and organized work area to prevent accident and spills. Always have a first aid kit and eye wash station nearby in case emergency. And train all workers on proper safety practice and SOP. Next, maintenance. Regularly inspect machinery and equipment for sign of wear and tear or damage. Follow the manufacturer recommended maintenance schedule for all equipment. Replace one or damaged part immediately to prevent accident. Store chemicals and hazardous materials in their proper containers, away from heat source and in a well ventilated area. Summary: PCB fabrication process can be hazardous, and it is important to take appropriate safety. This includes using proper protective equipment and clothes. and close it. Following safety practice and SOP and maintaining equipment properly. So there are 5 elements that need to achieve environmental sustainability practice in handling materials and waste during PCB fabrication process. So first, hazardous materials management. PCB fabrication process involves the use of several hazardous chemicals such as intent, plating solution, and solvent. Second, waste reduction. PCB fabrication generation several waste such as wastewater, sludge, scrap metals, and packaging materials. Third, energy conservation. PCB fabrication process requires a significant amount of energy to power machinery and equipment. Next, emissions reduction. PCB fabrication process generates several emissions such as volatile organic compound, greenhouse gas, and particulate matters. And finally, compliance. To achieve environmental sustainability practice, PCB fabrication must comply with environmental regulation and standards set by government and regulatory bodies. So this is the environmental quality at 1974. So that's all.